Hi guys, okay, today I want to show you how to install a car roof rack bars on Subaru Forester models 2014 up to 2020. The product was sent to me from the company brand name BougeRV to make a quick review and guidance how to install. It's very easy, there are just a few steps to follow and in the next couple minutes I'll show you how to do it. Okay, let's dive in. First of all, clean up the parcel for your and family safety, then open it up. The rack is coming in the nylon sealed package, protecting the surface of the bars. Okay, here is the manual. So for installation, please read the manual carefully because it's always better to read the manual before starting the installation. Here is the appropriate L-wrench tool which comes with the rack. They look very solid and durable, aluminum with anti-rust cover. I was really surprised to see that the holders were pre-installed on the bars, which makes your life much easier. As you can see, there is a rubbers inside the holders to protect the bars when are tightened. Both bars are labeled so not to be messed up each other. The holders are released by unscrewing the screws using appropriate L-wrench tool, like so. Then release the upper screws. The bottom screws should be loosed until the holder slides easily in and out. Now you can start the installation itself. The easiest way to be installed is to have an assistant, one on each side, but if you are alone, then it's better to measure in advance the distance between side rail bars and then adjust the crossbar at the same length. That would be easier. Once you know how long your crossbar is gonna be, you can tighten up the bottom screws to fix them and then tighten up the top one. Once you've got the measurements, you can just put it on place without any hassles, but if you still have some, you can always do some little adjustments. Tighten up the top screw and we're done with the rear bar. Then we go forward and place the front one. Always is better when two persons get the job done. Alright folks, this is it. I hope that helps you out. The BougeRV roof rack bars are suitable for carrying your luggage, bags, surfs, canoes, etc. If you are interested in buying one, please follow the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.